Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. I'm gonna be honest with you. I have tried to make a video a couple of times now with the Abus 5540, and apparently the rust just isn't off yet. The rust hasn't gotten knocked off enough yet. I'm going to kind of do a natural progression right here. The other three locks that I picked so far are basically white belt locks. So this is the Master Lock 140. This is a yellow belt lock. And we're just going to start from scratch. Because I feel like I'm going to need to work through this. So let's get after this. All these locks are pretty beat up, so hopefully they're just not too worn out. But anyways, Master Lock 140. Let's see. All right. I can definitely tell I am very heavy-handed. That's one of the Master Lock 140s I got. It's the brass. I think this one's like the Master Lock 140D or something like that. This is the aluminum body one. Do two locks. Gonna say screw it and do two. All right. Okay. Okay. Apparently, there's also a thing of going to light. Like the first couple of times, I was just barely lifting the pins. So, anyways, I overcompensated a little too much for the second Master Lock. So, anyways, that's the Master Lock 140 and 140D. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed. Yeah, it's gonna be a minute. I got some rust to knock off, but luckily I have a gigantic lock wall to accommodate. So we did our white belts. We just did yellow belt. Pretty sure the 150 is the next one. Yeah, yellow, green. No, yellow, white, yellow, orange is the 150 and the 570, I think. Anyways, we're gonna do the 150 next, and then I'll do the 570, And I'll pick a couple of these random ones over here. This was my orange belt lock submission though. And just kind of chew through some of these, get to some of the American locks here before too long, and hopefully revisit some of these Abises because I really actually like Abis. So yeah, we're just going to keep chipping away at it. Get all the way up to, like, you know, the Illinois Duo. Let's see. That's the Gold P. Got the Gold S up here somewhere. There it is. Gold S for blue belt. Stuff like that. So I got plenty of them. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.